Good morning, guys, and welcome to today's video on Thursday, the 11th of June, 2020, on simultaneous equations, actually looking at plus and minus signs. So we are looking at where signs are essentially different. Right, guys, if you're new, welcome. My name is Abdallah W, and I'm a private maths tutor as well as a qualified maths teacher for secondary and primary. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new, and make sure that you drop the video a like and also enable notifications by pressing the bell icon next to the subscribe button. But let's go on today's video. Right, guys, okay. So, so I thought I'd do like a little video today, looking at like solving simultaneous equations, but where we look at where the signs, are what we call like different. So it's essentially where I have the same numbers but like a different sign. Now I know I've covered this like a while back actually, but I thought I'd do like a little recap video on this. Okay, so this is aimed at Key Stage 3 GCSE Maths for the 9 to 1 curriculum. Okay, and then it's grade 4-5 actually. And then I've just put here, guys, that this is typically what I see on exam papers. It's usually like 3 to 4 mark questions. Okay, so so they're actually it's quite a nice, easy way actually to actually get like marks on the exam actually. If you just see like exams, on there. Okay, right, guys. Okay, so example 1. Okay, so 4x plus 3y equals 6, 5x minus 3y equals 21. So we are asked actually to solve simultaneous equations. So what we do here, guys, is I've got a plus 3y here and I have a minus 3y actually. So I'm going to actually add both equations, because plus 3y add minus 3y actually goes to 0 actually. So it just cancels and it becomes 0. Okay, so 4x plus 5x is equal to 9x. 6 plus 21 is equal to 27. So so I've done equation 1 plus equation 2 actually. So I get 9x equals 27. So by adding both equations, I've essentially eliminated one variable. So I've eliminated y in this case. I get 9x equals to 27. Divide both sides by 9, I get x equals 3. Okay, so solving that, I get x equals 3. Right, so I then sub in x equals 3 into either equation 1 actually or equation 2 actually. I've gone for equation 1 actually because it's just a bit easier. So 4 times 3 is going to be 12 plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, 4x means 4 times x. 12 plus 3y is equal to 6. Rearrange that, I get 3y is equal to minus 6, so minus 12 on both sides. And then finally divide both sides by 3, so I get y is equal to minus 6 divided by 3, which is minus 2. Okay, so that is that one there, guys. Right, guys, example 2. Okay, so my solutions to this, guys, is x equals 3, and then y equals minus 2 for example 1. Right, guys, example 2. X plus 4y is equal to 5. 4x minus 2y is equal to 11. Right, so this time what I'm going to do actually is, obviously, then they're not the same numbers, so I will multiply this one by 2 to make it a minus 4y there. Okay, because the key to remember, guys, is the numbers have to be the same. So the signs obviously are different, okay, but the numbers obviously have to be the same actually. Otherwise, I can't add it, because otherwise it will not actually eliminate that variable actually, because I will have like a positive y or like a negative y in my equation. If I was to add this here, I'd get a plus 2y, so it's not actually eliminated actually. So I've got to multiply this one by 2. So I get x plus 4y is equal to 5. And then secondly, I get 8x minus 4y is equal to 22. So I've labeled this new equation, equation 3. Okay, I now can add both equations. 4y plus minus 4y is going to be 0. X plus 8x, it will be 9x. So 9x is equal to 5 plus 22, which is 27. Solving that, I get x is equal to 3. So divide both sides by 9, I get x is equal to 3. Okay, I then sub in x equals 3 into equation 1. So I get 3 plus 4y is equal to 5. Minus 3 on both sides, 4y is equal to 2. Rearrange that, I get y is equal to 2 divided by 4, which is equal to a half. So 0.5 actually, or just a half. Okay. So yeah, I hope that made sense so far, guys. Right, guys, last example actually to like conclude like today's lesson. Okay, so example 3, 2a plus b is equal to 3, 4a minus 5b is equal to 20. Okay, right, guys, it's just a quick point actually here. Sometimes, yeah, obviously they can use like any letter actually, so yeah, so don't panic if it's like a and b or x and y, yeah, so they can use like any letter, yeah, in maths. Okay, so any letter in algebra, yeah, obviously will represent like a number, yeah, obviously for algebra, yeah, in maths. Okay, right, so equation 1 actually times it by 5. So I get 10a plus 5b is equal to 15. 4a minus 5b is equal to 20. I would then add, yeah, so I've called that like one start. I would then add both equations because 5b take away 5b is going to be 0. Okay, so I get 14, 10 plus 4 is going to be 14a. 15 plus 20 is going to be 35. So 14a is equal to 35. Divide both sides by 14. So I get a is equal to 35 over 14, which is 5 over 2, which is equal to 2.5. Okay, so 2.5. I then subbed in 2.5 into equation 1. 2 times 2.5 gave me 5, plus b is equal to 3. Rearranging that, yeah, by subtracting both sides by 5. So I get b is equal to minus 2. So the solutions for that is a is 2.5 or 5 over 2 or 2.5, and b is equal to minus 2. Okay, so just to conclude, guys, yeah, and just to summarize, if the signs are different, yeah, and it's the same numbers, I would add both equations. If the signs are the same, okay, I would actually subtract both equations. Okay, yeah, so I've done that in my previous video actually. Okay. Yeah, so I thought I'd do this like video today, just like mix up like the topics a bit actually, yeah, and yeah, I've seen this like exam actually quite a lot. Right, guys, don't forget, yeah, to check out these channels actually. So check out Maths Chelsea, Corbett Maths, Jack Brown, TR Physics, Hegarty Maths, Maths Genie, On Maths, and there's one called the GCM Maths Factor, which I've just come across that one actually like recently, guys. Okay. Yeah, so I hope that made sense, guys. Yeah, and I hope you were able to like take something away from it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please do, yeah, as I said at the beginning, actually, please do subscribe to my channel if you're new, and like my video. Okay, and please do, yeah, obviously comment down below, yeah, any questions or queries or any feedback. Yeah, and feel free, yeah, to like share my videos around actually, yeah, with like anyone, yeah, that is studying maths, yeah, or like wanting to learn maths. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay safe, guys. I hope everyone's well. Okay, stay safe, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy Thursday. Bye now.